The doorway stretch is designed to improve flexibility in your latissimus dorsi muscle. That muscle is found here on the top of your pelvis, and it runs all the way up the rib cage and up to the front of your shoulder. So the way we stretch it is you're gonna get inside of a doorway frame. You're gonna place your hand about 3/4 of the way up. Then what you're gonna do is stagger your foot stance. Take a step back, and you're gonna try to weight shift down towards your heels, stretching the lat muscle, which is right through here. So you may need to play around with it a little bit as far as maybe weight shift a little bit to the left, maybe to the right, maybe straight down. But the idea is to explore that lat muscle and find out what fibers or what area gives you the best stretch. So go ahead and hold that stretch for a duration of time and then slowly release out of it. That is how you perform the doorway lat stretch.